elevating condo living where safety meets sophistication in every door. In the world of condominium living, doors serve as both guardians and statements of style. The choice between entry doors and fire-rated doors represents a critical balance between personal security and collective safety, all while maintaining the architectural integrity that defines premium residential spaces. Condo entry doors must accomplish multiple objectives. They stand as personal statements while providing fortress-like security. Our premium steelwood composite doors master this balance through 1.2 mm thick cold-rolled steel panels, seamlessly bonded to solid wood cores. The craftsmanship shines through advanced multi-point locking systems featuring European Gersolender mechanisms with anti-drill technology. Beyond security, these doors deliver practical elegance with specialized acoustic seals achieving 32 decibels, sound reduction and thermal break technology that significantly improves energy efficiency. The true magic lies in customization options. Whether your condominium embraces modern minimalism or classic tradition, our genuine wood veneers, high-gloss lacquers and wood-grain steel surfaces integrate perfectly with your design vision. While entry doors make personal statements, fire-rated doors serve as the silent protectors of communal safety. Engineered to meet N1634 and UL10C standards, these 60 to 90-minute fire-rated doors feature 1.0 mm galvanized steel construction with intumescent seal technology that automatically activates at 200 degrees Celsius. The innovation extends to strategic placement throughout condos, creating vital fire compartments between parking garages and residential floors, corridor systems and unit separations. What sets our solution apart is the seamless design integration. Fire-rated doors can be specified with identical finishes and hardware as entry doors, maintaining aesthetic continuity while providing life-saving protection. The true excellence in condo door selection emerges when safety and style converge. We've eliminated the compromise between protection and aesthetics by offering coordinated systems, where fire-rated doors share the same design language as entrance doors. From sleek steel frames that complement contemporary interiors to wood-grain finishes that warm transitional spaces, every detail is considered. Investing in premium doors delivers measurable returns through enhanced property valuation, reduced insurance premiums, and improved resident satisfaction. The durable materials and finishes ensure decades of reliable performance with minimal maintenance, protecting your investment while elevating daily living experiences. Choose Longhui Sanhe door solutions that protect residents while defining your condominium's character. Contact our specialist team for customized recommendations that bridge safety requirements with design aspirations.